Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm back, and I had a question, probably a few times over the years, about what did I have to do to get my car to run, or do I have to flash the computer, or do I put a chip in it? And basically, these cars have this motor and everything. You guys know it has like a resistor chip in it. This is for this car right here. So it's got the resistor in it, so it reads a certain ohms, and that has to match the computer, the VATS system, vehicle anti-theft system. It tells it has the correct ohms, and then it allows the car to start. So if it doesn't have that, or if this goes bad, these cars won't start, or you got to bypass the VATS system. So now my car, it doesn't have that on there, of course, because it's a 79 column and ignition. And so the way that it works, it was like this when I got it. It has this resistor that has just like the thing in the key, but it just connects straight to the wire, and that is the blue wire on. Let me see if I can see what color this is. These all have different colors, and so let's see. It's this blue wire right here, and I have to tape that part up right there. But as you can see, something keeps showing up on my screen. But anyway, as you can see, that's where I have it wired into, and so it wires into that. And then there's a power and there's a ground. And then you have two options right there. There's two different wires. You can see them, and you can hook one of them up, or you can hook both of them up, and that'll give you two different ohm readings. And so I think I had to hook both of them up to get the correct readings that I wanted. And you would have to just test the key you have, or if you can't find it out through that, or you don't have that key, then you have to just do some research to figure out what your ohms need to be. And I had figured it out for this Caprice motor, but I don't remember at the current time what it was exactly. But I know if you can find this resistor out there, which I think there was like a bunch of them on eBay, if you could figure out what it's called, I forget. Like I said, my car came like this and it was already running, but I did remove it by accident because I didn't know what it was, and then my car wouldn't start, and so I had to figure out how to re-hook it up, and that's how I figured that out. And so let's see, I can't figure out which color that is. Let me see, I could just pop it out, I guess, but something might go wrong. I kind of need both hands for that. Give me a second. Okay, it's the red one, and there might be a couple blues on there, I'm not sure, but there might just be one, and I'm gonna tape that up right after this video. But yeah, it's on the red, and you guys can look up the rest of the information yourself if you need something else, or you can ask if you want. But if I forgot something, then that's just how my videos go. But that's for the most part. So yeah, that blue wire is the computer signal for the VATS, I believe. On my car, that's what I need to hook it up to, but I believe that's what the wire's called. I can't remember exactly, but that's the setup right there. I don't have a chip in my computer. I don't have it flashed or anything. It's just a stock computer, and it's just stock motor, stock transmission. I was told it was on the 95 frame, and I kind of believe it because, well, I know it'll fit, and I know a lot of people will do that, but the hangers were here for the dual exhaust, and usually these didn't have dual exhaust, and a couple other things. Like I got some stuff that isn't quite right, but I got my bumpers welded on partly where it fits the frame. So, but yeah, that's a whole nother story. So for the VATS, that would be my guess. and my phone keeps fucking up on me. All right, y'all.